in the business report. Intervening in the local foreign market to stabilize the Jamaican dollar against the benchmark US dollar, Central Bank has offered 2 new investment options to soak up excess Jamaican dollars. The Bank of Jamaica says it received 47 bids valued at $77 million for the $30 million it pumped into the foreign exchange market on Tuesday in order to stabilize the dollar and contain inflation. Following that, the Bank of Jamaica says it will be seeking to take another 15 billion Jamaican dollars out of circulation to help stabilize the exchange rate and contain inflation. The Trinidad and Tobago Manufacturers Association on Monday launched its trade mission to Jamaica with a seminar titled Doing Business with Jamaica. The mission included representatives from 22 companies across a wide range of sectors. Representatives from Trinidad and Tobago say the mission aims to strengthen regional trade ties, create export opportunities, and foster long-term partnerships between Trinidad and Tobago and Jamaica. Energy distributor West Indies Petroleum Limited announced the addition of Carl Townsend to the WIP Terminal Board of Directors. Mr. Townsend, who currently serves as Chief Country Officer for Jamaica in the Group Capital Markets Unit at JMMB Group Limited. In addition to his new role at WIP Terminal, he also serves as a director of G West Corporation Limited and Image Plus Consultants Limited, both listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. West Indies Petroleum recently reorganized its business operations. WIP Terminal manages the company's storage infrastructure, approximately 750,000 barrels of capacity across facilities in Port Escovel and Ocho Rios. WIP Energy currently distributes products to approximately 80% of Jamaica's independent gas stations. Time now for a look at the market highlights and foreign exchange updates with Denise Williams.
For the trading period ending May 14, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Online education provider One-on-One Educational Services Limited with 12,419,941 units traded, representing 36.73% of market sales volume. Toll road operator Trans Jamaica Highway Limited with 6,320,270 units traded, representing 18.69% of market sales volume. And alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited with 2,450,570 units traded, representing 7.25% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On March 14, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $113.15 million purchased and US $77.78 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.14 per dollar, selling the US at $159.64 and buying the US at $158.50. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $3.84 per transaction, with selling at $113.68 and buying at $109.84. The British pound yielded Forex traders $7.69 in profit, with selling at $212.16 and buying at $204.47. For our credit report tip of the day, whether you're applying for funding, pitching to investors, or building strategic partnerships, your credit history follows you into the room. Your credit score is more than a number. It's a trust signal to banks, investors, and strategic partners that you're serious, responsible, and ready to grow. Here are a few suggestions. Your improved credit score adds weight to your business plan. Financial stability reinforces your vision and strategy, making your pitch more persuasive. Additionally, your credit score speeds up approvals. Strong credit often shortens the underwriting process for funding, giving you faster access to capital. And that wraps up today's business report.